Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show you that how to log out of Facebook Messenger, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So just make sure to watch the full video to the very end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Messenger and then tap on the three lines on the top left and click on this gear in front of your username to open up settings. Once you come to the settings and scroll down, you can see the option of account center. Just simply tap on that option and click on password and security and click on where you logged in. Here that's what you have to select your Facebook and Facebook Messenger account. So here it will show you that where you are logged in to your Facebook or Facebook Messenger account. So you can simply click on select devices to log out. You can click on one device only, or you can click on select all. So means that you can click multiple devices at once, and if you want to just log out, just simply tap on log out. So that's how you can easily log out of Facebook Messenger. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel.